Cool. So currently we're looking at, obviously, first thing we're going to be looking at is gold. And today, so basically, if you do you see, let me just zoom out quickly on a 4 hour time frame. So in the morning, gold was around here. So today morning, today was 11th of August. So around, yeah, in the morning, around 11th of August, gold was around 2030. And, it has dropped nearly 100 points. It has dropped over 1,000 pips in just a matter of some minutes. And that's the highest drop of gold in last 7 years. In last 7 years, gold hasn't dropped like this. And today it did, because one of the major reason it dropped was the positive news from US. So you might see some for past few days there's been positive fundamental news coming out from US in terms of elections, in terms of the job numbers and stuff. Plus today Russia in the morning around 9:45 announced that they have you know they got the first vaccine, and one of the few people in Russia have been, got the jab of the vaccine. So, and they're saying it's working. So that also raised the sentiment of the market towards, buying stocks and start selling gold. That's why we saw gold plummet so furiously against dollar. We saw dollar rising as well at the same time. Dollar was falling at the same time as well. So because people were starting pulling money out from dollar, all they've been investing and start pushing money in stocks. That's why we saw a massive rise in stocks today. Today, all the stocks nearly around the world, UK 100 rose massively, especially the US 30 rose massively. You can see US 30 is all-time high again. SP 500 is all-time high. NAS 100, we didn't see a lot of momentum in NAS 100 because this vaccine is going to affect the businesses which weren't really performing well because of coronavirus lockdown. But tech companies were really performing well, so this wasn't really going to affect tech markets that much, but it did affect companies such as banks and hospitality industries and aviation industry, tourism industry. So we saw a massive rise in those stocks. So on that reason, that's why gold is rising. So currently our outlook is gold is going to keep dropping at least to lows of 1906, which it was last time on 20th of July. This is quite low. It hasn't been this low for quite a long time. So 20th of July, we could expect gold drop as low as 1909, even gold back to 1900. And if this level break, guys, if we see a gold break in 1900 levels, we could see gold dropping all the way back to 1800 levels. It could happen, guys. With gold, it rose about 200-300 points just a matter of days, so it could drop 200 points in a matter of days as well. So guys, keep an eye out for gold. It could be really volatile in coming days, so be careful when trading gold. Keep a tight stop loss and do not over leverage your trades. Again, next we're talking about DXY. So DXY, we're going to be looking at vaccine war. So you must have heard the news that Trump vaccine update said that there might be a vaccine coming out for US in this December. So in about 4 months, we might have a vaccine of Trump, as Russia already announced they had a vaccine. So that created a lot of tension between two countries, because obviously US doesn't really like to be behind Russia when it comes to stuff, technology or any other thing. So obviously they have to bring our vaccine as soon as possible, but this will raise concerns how good is the vaccine. Because WHO just said about the vaccine in Russia that is not as safe it's not as safe as it's not as safe as compared to the standards of WHO. So the WHO is expecting a crazy review into this Russian vaccine, and if this vaccine is not good as expected, we might see gold rising back to above 2000 levels. So we need to be really, really careful when trading. Right now, trading conditions is really, really bad. You have to be really, really careful when it comes to trading these markets. We clearly see DXY actually did a ping pong again today. We went all the way there, dropped all the way back below, and rose all the way high again. Quite a strange day in markets. Again, very strange week continuing since Monday. The market has been going up and down, no clear trend in the market. It's very hard for retail traders to trade. So I do recommend people trading. That's why I recommend you joining VIP. If you join VIP, you will get proper SLs, proper TPs with lot size advice per trade. Plus, you'll be kept updated with what's happening in the markets along the way. So if trade is linking around, we tell you what's happening. The trade will be expecting in next 15 minutes, next 10 minutes, next 30 minutes. With the trade, we give you options so you can close, hold, or move yourself to entry when it's an amazing 30, 40, 50, 60, 100% profit. So guys, do join VIP if you want to get really, really good trades. We have sent about 5 to 6 gold trades today. All of them hit TP, guys. 2 trades, 2 take profit levels minimum. That's our standard, guys. 2 take profit levels, and sometimes we send 3, 4, 5, depends on the market. But today we thought 2 take profit levels were better because gold was really water, really moving really out of the way, not moving in order. So it was really important for us to not just send trading for the sake of it. So today, VIP enjoyed about 8 trades, 4 times two of gold trades, which is 8 trades. And then you had very tight stop loss, just about 2 points, which is about 20 pips. And their minimum TP was the 40 pips. So they had, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio in one TP. Second TP was 1 to 3 risk to. So you basically put $1 to make $3. And first trade, you may put $1 to make $2. So amazing day in VIP, guys. And it's going to be continuing for the rest of the week. Since yesterday, they only lost one trade, which was GPUSD, but since then we've been capitalizing on 98% win rate, guys, for this month. So very good month. Started off on 1st of August, really good, and we're expecting this month to carry on. So do not miss out, guys. This month is going to be crazy, one of the best months at TOP we're expecting, because market is really volatile. When the market is volatile, that's when you make money, and we're expecting to make a really crazy money for ourselves and for our customers, as you can already see from the testimonials that we send out. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Again, if you have any questions, you can let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much.